Good evening all. We were discussing topics in third module. Last class we have discussed the classification of PV cell. Today we shall see the construction of module, panel and array. Photovoltaic cells are connected electrically in series and are parallel circuits to produce higher voltages, currents and obtain different power levels. Photovoltaic modules consist of PV cell circuits sealed in an environmentally protected laminate and are under the fundamental building blocks of photovoltaic systems. Photovoltaic panels include one or more PV modules assembled as a pre-wired field installable unit. A photovoltaic array is the complete power generating unit consisting of any number of PV modules and panels. The basic element of a PV system is the photovoltaic cell, also called a solar cell. This is the structure of a solar cell. The common single junction silicon solar cell can produce a maximum open circuit voltage of approximately 0.5 to 0.6 volt and 1.5 ampere. Solar cells are described as being photovoltaic irrespective of whether the source is sunlight or an artificial light. To increase their utility, a number of individual PV cells are interconnected together in a sealed weatherproof package called a panel or module. For example, a 12-volt module will have 36 cells connected in series and a 24-volt module will have 72 PV cells connected in series. Here we can see a single solar PV cell, then how the module is formed using different cells, and using the modules we can construct an array. The cells are very thin and fragile, so they are sandwiched between a transparent front sheet, usually glass, and a backing sheet, usually glass or a type of tough plastic. This protects them from breakage and from weather. An aluminum frame is fitted around the module to enable easy fixing to a support structure. So, glass front, then backing sheet, PV cell is provided between them. And an aluminum frame is also there for mechanical support. A solar module designed for charging a 12-volt battery will typically have 36 solar cells, while the typical residential grid-connected system uses solar modules with 60 solar cells. For large commercial and utility scale solar systems, solar modules will have typically 72 solar cells. By increasing the number of solar cells, the module voltage and wattage increases. Photovoltaic array is a system composed of multiple PV modules. They can be connected in one or more series circuits which are connected to a combiner box to provide a single direct current output. This output can be used to charge batteries, power DC loads, or fed to an inverter to provide an AC voltage for home appliances or exporting to the electric grid. Series wiring. Series wiring is when the voltage of a solar array is increased by wiring the positive of one of the solar modules to the negative of another solar module. A single solar module is shown here. When we are connecting them in series, we can increase the voltage level. So, PV modules are connected in series to get greater voltage. Here we can see positive terminal of one of the module is connected with negative terminal of the next. And across the load, we can have positive and negative terminals at the ends. Similarly, these modules can be connected in parallel. So, parallel wiring increases the current output of a solar array while keeping the voltage safe. Parallel wiring is when the positives of multiple modules are connected together and all the negatives for the same modules are connected together. So the third diagram shows the parallel connection. Here we can see all the positive terminals of the modules are connected together and negative terminals are connected together. So the current from each module will get added up and supplied across the load on both ends. This is how they are connected in parallel. Now we can have the series parallel combinations also according to the voltage requirement, current requirement as well as power requirement. So these are the topics on solar cell, then module, array, etc. and how they are being connected. So thank you for listening and we shall continue with a new topic in the next session. Thank you.